Welcome to SellerCenter channel. If you're running a Shopify dropshipping store and wondering how to turn YouTube ads into a consistent source of sales, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, let's start with a bit of background. YouTube has become one of the most powerful intent-based ad platforms for e-commerce. Unlike TikTok or Facebook, where users scroll passively, YouTube viewers are actively searching for answers, tutorials, or product reviews. That means they're already in the right mindset to buy. All you need to do is show them the right ad at the right moment. And here's where things get exciting. To make your YouTube ad strategy smarter and faster, let me introduce you to SellerCenter's YouTube Adsy tool, an AI-powered ad spy and analytics platform built specifically for e-commerce. You can try it or explore their complete e-commerce ad toolkit at sellercenter.io/ads. With it, you can discover top-performing YouTube ads in your niche, analyze ad formats, ad copy, landing page, and CTAs that are converting right now, model your own high-converting video scripts after proven campaigns. Now, let's break down exactly how to optimize your YouTube ad strategy for your Shopify dropshipping store. Step 1. Set clear objectives. Before you press go on your campaign, define what success looks like for you. Are you aiming for direct sales from your store? Or is it website traffic and retargeting later? Maybe you're thinking brand awareness or capturing leads. Set that objective in your YouTube ad setup so your campaign is optimized accordingly. Step 2. Define your audience and targeting. On YouTube, you can target based on keywords, interests, demographics, and custom audiences. Because you're in dropshipping, you want to find people already searching for the problem your product solves. For example, if you sell a posture corrector, target how to fix back pain, improve posture at work, etc. Combine that with interest targeting, e.g., fitness, office workers, health conscious, and remarketing to people who visited your site or added to cart. Step 3. Use SellerCenter's YouTube Ad Spy tool to model winning creatives. Here's where SellerCenter becomes a core part of your strategy. Head into the tool and search by keyword or niches using their ad library. Apply filters, date range, new ad, Shopify, YouTube, ad status, language, country, first time post, ad material. Click the Show Results option. You'll find a large database of YouTube ads. Sort by impressions estimate in decreasing order. Choose the top performing ad to analyze. Click the View Details option. You'll get complete ad details, popularity, impression, duration, start and last font date, ad status, target region, language, source link, and even the landing page link. You can preview the ad materials, even download the ad creative to analyze its structure and format. You can also click View Landing Page to visit the product website and study the store's funnel. Then gain inspiration from them. The hook they used, how fast they grab attention, the pain point they address, how they present the solution, what visuals they use, and their CTA. More importantly, you can get detailed target insights, such as country or region analysis. Use those insights to craft your own ad creative with similar winning elements. Don't copy directly but model the structure and adapt it to your brand and product. And that's how you can optimize your YouTube ad strategy for your Shopify dropshipping store, from setting clear goals and building great creatives to scaling with smart data. Before you launch your next campaign, don't waste time guessing. Use SellerCenter's YouTube Ad Spy tool to uncover the winning ad formats and creative ideas your competitors are using right now. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe,